Hey everybody, it's Valk, and today I'm here with a sponsored unboxing video for the AresGame River 5 CPU cooler. Let's get right into it. As we get into this, I would like to reiterate this is a sponsored video and this product was received for free, but I will give my honest thoughts on it as we unbox it. Just a real quick review here. It is an RGB fan on the front here. This will light up if you have the proper connector on your motherboard. So that's pretty cool. The CPU cooler is currently available for $35 on Amazon the last time I checked, which was about an hour ago, so it should still be. And I do appreciate AresGame for sending this for free for a product review and unboxing. So, first thing I can say is the packaging is honestly quite nice. You can see there's foam in here, keeping the different parts nice and compact. We've got the fan. I believe in this box we're going to have the brackets, yep. You can see we've got the variety of brackets in here. We'll take a couple out really quick. It looks like they've provided multiple different bracket mounts and screws. Quite standard, but nice to have. Got a couple different... Actually, this is one bracket. My mistake. But you've got your whole set of brackets in here. Your screws, everything you're going to need to mount it to your motherboard. Large variety of screws. It looks like they might have also included some thermal paste. Quite nice. Not all coolers come with it. Next up, let's move on to the fan. Like I said, quite nice packaging for it. Fits snugly in there. Good to have. Comes wrapped as it should. Has the AresGame logo on the fan, and like I said, this fan is RGB and lights up when plugged into the proper connector on your motherboard. I've never been a big RGB guy. I don't like my computer making a bunch of flashy lights, but most people love it, so definite plus. And the final real big component we have here is the cooler itself. So it's got the bottom covered up here. Feels like it's made of nice, solid material. I actually quite like that I can hold it without stabbing my fingers repeatedly. When I was installing my CPU cooler I have in my machine right here, it was very hard to hold right here because it was very pokey. This is a lot nicer, actually. You would attach the fan with the 4-piece fan clips included here, right onto the cooler, as you typically do. You can see the multiple different outlets here on the fan for the RGB and the power. And if you're dumb like me and rather bad at putting together computers, there is a very helpful instruction manual for putting together your CPU cooler. Quite detailed. It's Valk proof, thankfully. And that's all we've got for the unboxing video. For $35, I think you could give this a safe try. It seems quite well put together. It's RGB. It's got a nice instruction manual, comes with a lot of parts, comes with some free thermal paste. I think for $35, it's safe to give this a try. I'd like to once again thank AresGame for the free product for the unboxing video. And that's gonna be all, guys. Thanks for watching. Give them a look. See if it's for you.